Stop paying and get rid of your Stan Store account right now. Because in this video, I'm gonna create a Stan Store themed website live in real time using a free System.io account. This means that you're going to be able to promote multiple affiliate links and products across all of your social media platforms, all without spending a dime on Stan Store, because it's all going to be completely, absolutely 100% free. And it gets even better than that. If you stick around to the end of this video, I'm going to give you not one but 5 free System.io Stan Store themed websites for 100% free. So if you're not tech savvy or just short on time, these templates are going to be your ticket to a hassle-free Stan Store themed website creation, because all you're going to have to do is just copy, paste, and start earning money. Now, by the end of this video, this is what you're going to discover: how to build a System.io funnel from complete scratch, why System.io beats Stan Store, especially if you're a new affiliate marketer. You're going to learn the pricing differences between the two and why System.io is a clear winner. Also, you're going to learn the key insights often missed by new affiliate marketers, which leads them to frustration and zero earnings. And again, all of this is going to be 100% free. So let's dive in. Now, if you've never heard of me, my name is Dad Learns Money. I'm an introvert who went from homeless to homeowner with high ticket affiliate marketing. And I've done multiple 6 and 7 figures with my own online business, as well as promoting other multiple affiliate products and services. Now, my goal for this channel is to help you build an infinite passive income business and achieve financial and time freedom, especially if you hate your job exactly like I did. Now, in affiliate marketing, your brand is the heartbeat of your business, and when it comes to Stan Store, it's critical to recognize that you're essentially leasing their brand for your affiliate marketing business. You see, Stan Store provides a URL for your landing page, but each landing page URL begins with Stan Store /. Now, even though you're able to put the name of your business or your name following the /, this layout can limit your ability to build a unique brand identity. Consider this: when I did a Google search for Stan.store, I got 408 million results. And while Stan Store might come up first, it's a crowded space, making it difficult for your affiliate marketing page to stand out. On the other hand, System.io allows you to connect your own domain to their platform, giving you the ability to build and promote your own brand independently. Each page you create can be individually optimized for SEO, helping you stand out and increases your chances of organic traffic. SEO is a crucial aspect of attracting organic traffic to your affiliate marketing business. Stan Store, while easy to use and quick to set up, falls short in terms of customization and SEO capabilities. The platform limits your ability to provide detailed information about your products and services, ultimately affecting your SEO efforts. System.io, on the other hand, excels in this department. With a dedicated configuration feature for each page you create, you can optimize each one for search engines. This not only helps your pages stand out, but also increases your chances of being found by potential customers. Now, when it comes to pricing, Stan Store and System.io offer plans with varied features. Stan Store has a creator plan for $29 a month and a creator pro plan for $99 a month. However, it's important to note that Stan Store's free trial is limited to only 14 days. What sets System.io apart is its free forever plan, allowing you to build an entire affiliate marketing business without paying a single dime each month. This free plan includes 2,000 contacts, unlimited emails sent, 3 sales funnels, and 15 funnel steps. But let's talk about the 2,000 contacts and the unlimited emails you can send in the free plan of System.io. Email marketing is a vital component of any online business, and System.io excels in this area. So with the free forever plan, like I said, you can capture up to 2,000 contacts and send unlimited emails to your audience. This is a big advantage over the Stan Store because you're going to have to pay an extra $99 each and every single single month to get access to all of its email marketing features. Your email list is a direct connection between your brand and your customers, and System.io ensures that you can nurture this connection without the burden of high monthly fees. In my opinion, System.io's free forever plan is a game changer for anyone starting a new affiliate marketing business. So now that we know why System.io is the platform we should use to build out our affiliate marketing business, let's start building our Stan Store themed website. So the first thing you need to do is create your free System.io account. I'm going to leave the link down below in this video to where you can get access to System.io for absolutely 100% free. Now, this is one of the templates that System.io gives you for absolutely free, but we're going to be creating our Stan Store themed website from scratch. So we're going to delete all of these things. One thing I want to point out over here to the bottom left, you're going to see desktop version and mobile version. And when you click the mobile version, it's going to bring you to this format over here to where you can see how your website is going to look on a mobile device. Now I'm going to switch back to desktop version because what we're going to do, since we're building it from scratch, we're going to delete everything off of this page. Now, as you can see, as you hover over different things, you'll see these borders pop up. And each one of them is going to be green, and then it's going to be orange, and then it's also going to be blue. Now, green is for the entire section. That's why it's all highlighted. And then the orange is for your elements like text or images. Like for right here, this is an image, and then this is text, and it's orange. And then we have rows like this, which is what you'll put your elements inside of. The section is the house, and then the rows are going to be like the room, and then each element is the things inside the room, like your bed or your house. Now, you can delete each one of these elements individually. Say, for example, if I don't want this text, I could just hover over that element and click the trash can and click OK. You can also do the same for the rows. You can just hover over that row, click the blue, click the trash can, and then press OK. But since we're deleting everything, I'm just going to do section by section so we could take all of those things inside of the section out at the same time. So all you would have to do is just go over here to the green, click the trash can, and press OK. And you see it took away that entire element. Now what I'm going to do is just delete all of these sections, and we'll be right back. Okay, so I deleted everything inside of this page. So this is how it looks on desktop version. And if we switch to mobile, you can see there's nothing here, and it's waiting for me to drop my first element. Now, the first thing we're going to do to build out our Stan Store themed website is to add an image at the top. So all you have to do is just click image, and then you can upload your images to System.io. Just click select a file and upload your image of yourself. Now, if you don't have an image, you could just go to Canva and use the free platform to create you an image. You want to make sure you use the circle frame and then upload your image to Canva, place it inside the frame, and it's going to give you that nice round border. Once you're done, just download it to your device. Once you have that image, just click select file. I've already downloaded it, so find the file on your device, highlight it, click open, and then that image is going to get uploaded to System.io. Once it's uploaded, just go over to your images and then find that image, which it should be the only one if you just created your System.io account. It's going to pop over here to the right, and then you're going to click on insert. And now it's inserted into System.io. Now this image is way too big. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over here to our editor. You're going to make sure you're in the image mode, and you're going to make sure you have that image highlighted on System.io. As you can see the borders, and then you just scroll down to the width that you want, and then you can just drag it down like so. So now that we have our profile picture, now you will have to do is just make sure that you're in the elements section over here. And you're going to scroll down, and then we're going to add another section right here. And then we're going to add another row, and you can just click it, and it's going to pop up right up under your picture. So now that we have our row, we're going to add an element, which is going to be our text, which is going to have the name of our sales under the picture. So now all you would have to do is just click on text. Now, after you click text, it's going to give you all this random stuff. Another option you could do if we want to delete this, this gave us too much, you could just click on headline text, and it'll give you something like that. Now, once we have that, we're just going to just slide it up right up under our picture, and then we can delete this right here. Now, here's where you would want to put your name. So all you would have to do is just double click it, and then it's going to highlight, and then you can just key in your name. Once you do that, it should be right up under your picture. And right now we're making tons of progress. The next thing we're going to do is put our title or our expertise up under our name. So all we would have to do now is just repeat that process. Now, there's two ways you could do this. You can click duplicate, and then it's just gonna make a copy of what you've already done. Or you could just come back over here and just click on headline text again, and it appears right up under what we've already done. All right, so these fonts are a little bit too big, so I'm gonna make sure this is highlighted, and then I'm gonna come over here and just make it a little bit smaller. So now that we have a few of our elements like our image and our text here, we're going to change the background color. Now you can leave it white, but I'm just going to give it a little color to make it pop. So what you would have to do is just come over here and you're going to click settings, and you're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom here to where you see background, and we're going to change the color. You can also add an image, but I won't be doing that. So I'm going to click on change background color. And then it's going to bring up this little bar to where you can change the color. We're going to make it a nice little blue color. And as you can see, it made the background blue. So now I'm just going to go back because you can't hardly see the text. So what we're going to do is just click on the text, and it's going to bring up this little bar right here. We're going to click on this, and we're going to change the color to white. And as you can see, now my text is white over this nice blue background. Now that we have that done, what we're going to do next is we're going to add our buttons so people can click and go to our links and our affiliate products. So again, just make sure you're up under the Elements tab, and you're going to scroll down, and you're going to look for button, and you're just going to click that. And as you can see here, that button came, and now we can make some changes and tweaks. So the first thing you're going to want to do is just click on the button element over here, and then you're going to see this change over here. So now you have some options. What do you want to happen when they click the button? Right now it has submit form, but we don't want that to happen. We want to send them to whatever web URL where our affiliate links, where our affiliate products will be. So next thing you would put is open URL. And then here is where you would copy and paste your URL link. So just for educational purposes, I have a free course that I give away for free for people to learn more about affiliate marketing. So I'm just going to go to that website and copy my link right here. And then I'll come back to system.io. And then here you would just paste your link like so. And you're going to want to press enter. Now, I don't like what the button is saying. So what we're going to do is just change the text on here. So once you click the button, all you have to do is just scroll down and you'll see the typography, and then you can change the text. So while we're here, I'm going to make some other changes to this button, and I want to change the color of the border, and then I want to change the color to white. And as you can see, there's a little border around the button. Then once you have the color you want, you can just click off, and then it's going to be set. All you have to do now is just click on duplicate, and then it's going to make copies of all your buttons, and you can do as many as you like. And then you can repeat these steps any type of way that you want, but it's good just to do the first button, set it to how you want. So all you got to do is just change the links in the text. Now, one last thing we got to do, you see how the color is cut off and it's white at the bottom. All you're going to want to have to do is just go up here and click that section, and you're going to want to click on settings. And then once it opens up the settings over here to your left, you're going to want to go down to the padding right here. And then you're going to go to the bottom and just put it all the way down like that. Once you have everything set the way you want it, you want to click Save Changes, and now your site is ready. Now, System.io gives you your own domain, which you can use as is, and I'll show you that in a second, but you can also create your own custom domain, add it into System.io. I'll leave a link for you to create your own domain down below this video to where you can get your own domain for $10, and that's going to last you for an entire year. But before I show you where your domain is located at, I want to show you how to set the metadata to make sure that your website is SEO optimized. So all you will have to do is just come over here to settings, and you're going to scroll down, and you're going to see the SEO optimization. This is where you can give your website a web page. You could put Dad Learns Money. Give it a nice description. This is going to pop up on Google to where they can see what your website is about. Put all relevant keywords to whatever your industry and your niche is. As the author, you can just put your name again, and you can also upload an image so when it pops up on Google or any search engines, they can see your picture. But once you're done with your website, you can just exit by pressing the arrow right here, and then it's going to bring you back to this page right here. And then all you have to do is just get the URL by clicking the link right here. That's going to be the URL you can put into your website. Now, as promised, I told you if you stuck around to the end of this video, I'm going to give you 5 free System.io Stand Store theme templates that you can use for your own for 100% absolutely free. Now, with these templates, you can go in and change your picture, the name, and make all the changes just like how I showed you in this walkthrough. You can add your own affiliate links and products in each one of these buttons and change the colors. You can even add your social media platforms. The templates are going to already be set All you got to do is make the minor tweaks and changes. You won't have to build it from scratch. To get access to those free templates, I'm going to leave a link down below this YouTube video that you can click on and get immediate access. And you can upload these into your free System.io account all in just a few seconds. It's going to upload into your System.io account with just one click. So now that you know how to create your own System.io Stan Store theme page, make sure you get your link and put it on all your social media platforms so you can start making money. And speaking of money, if you want to learn how to make money with your new website, I suggest that you watch this video right here where I break it all down on how to make money with System.io. With that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. And if you got tons of value, make sure you leave me a comment down below. I really appreciate it, and it helps my channel grow. And as always, stay blessed, and I'll see you on the other side of success. I'm out.